Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you what should you learn after learning full OLL and PLL. So it's quite difficult to choose what to learn. So what should you learn? Winter variation or COLL? Not one of them. You should learn to fix your algorithm. It's like many people just use the left-handed algorithm after learning the right-handed algorithm. Or for this VPerm, maybe you would be using the RU and D moves by rotating. So you should not use these algorithms. Use the normal algorithms for cases. Here's one more example of these cases. Like this is a R perm and many people just use the left-handed algorithm for this case, which is not a very fast algorithm. So you should learn the RU prime D algorithm or RUF algorithm that are quite fast and you can also execute them crazy fast. Like I use the RUF algorithm as my main algorithm, or you can also use RUD algorithm. Number 2, OLLs and PLLs from different angles. So after fixing your all the algorithms, you should learn OLLs and PLLs from different angles. Here is an example of a PLL, which is a G permutation. So maybe you would use R to F2 algorithm for this case if you face this angle, or if you face this angle you must learn the RU prime D algorithm. Like it goes and this algorithm from this angle R to F2. You should learn these. Here's one more example of this OLL. Like the algorithm is F U R U prime R prime F prime, or you can also use wide F R U R prime U prime wide F prime. And U-perms can be a best example of these. They are crazy fast to execute the this angle U permutation. Like they can be executed very fastly. Here I would give a link of U permutations. You can go check them out. And so it is for our third case. So after learning the some OLS and PLS from different angle, you must learn only some parts of all the subsets like COLLs, ZBLLs and CLS, BLE. These these you don't take a full case and learn all of these. Just learn only some cases of these subsets. Like you could use the COLLs very less in your solves. I have a video about it which COLLs are worth learning. You can go check it out. It's a very useful video. So you shouldn't learn all of the cases or of the subsets. Like ZBLLs are over 400 ZBLLs are there. You can't learn all of them. Only learn the easy ones. And for CLS and BLE, only learn the cases where we have simple recognition for these cases and they are easy to memorize. And this is for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Cubing Tips and Tricks.